Sakit. Ang sakit.
May payong dyan eh.
Motor kailangan ko.
Hindi mo kabisado.
So to my Philippine friends, you
Just, ano?
you you
Just tell me the meaning first.
ay, no, later after you repeat after me,
What?
You say auntie,
Auntie?
tiko pala,
Ano pala?
Tiko pala?
ay ju, tay.
Ay, tay.
Faster.
Auntie, tiko pala, ay, tay.